This is the 200 amp hour hand cart inverter full walkthrough. So we have a 100 amp hour battery on the bottom. We have one on the top right here. These are the dumb fume. You can check out Will Prowse do-it-yourself this battery. These lock together, so you can actually lift the top one off if you disconnect. So everything is protected. They are zip tied. All the batteries have the bungee cord holding it in place. You have a battery monitor, which you could see it is charging. You got 194 amp hours right now. It's a 1,000-watt Renogy inverter. You have your bus bars, 150 amp fuse from the battery, and there's another one like this under here. I don't know if you can see it, but you see it right there. So you got some room, so nothing could short out. This is the Renogy 20 amp charge controller, which you could see it is now charging from solar, which is two 100 amp hour solar panels right there. This is the breaker, so you could turn it on, turn it off, and cut it off. This is the solar where it connects. And then coming around the back, you have grounding block with ground, so everything is grounded, and that's 4 or 5 feet extra of grounding wire if you want to just make it stationary. Those are extra screws that come with the system. The hand truck is included. This is the battery monitor. This is how this is secured. So walking around, you'll have 200 amp hours at 12 volts. This right here is the 1,000-watt Renogy inverter, which has been tested. Everything has been tested. Batteries were cycled 2 or 3 times for testing. And as you can see over here, you can see this arrow right here. That's charging. If you want to connect the load to it, you can connect the load. These are 8-gauge wires going into the charge controller. You can see. So this is the whole system right here. And you can literally wheel it around anywhere you want. This is the remote for the inverter. That's included. Sorry about that leaf there. These I put on because I was going to use them, but I figured I needed a little bit more room, so I didn't use those. But if you want to use those are coming with it. This is the kill switch. The kill switch must be on to generate power to the battery from solar. Otherwise, you turn it off and it shuts the whole system down. So use that accordingly. But we're going to sit here and we're going to turn this on and we're going to let it charge. And we're going to wait. So you have 13.5 volts, 194. See, it went up. It went up an amp hour. Okay, whoever gets this, good luck with it.